Hello everyone, today we are diving into one of Japan's most fascinating and essential experiences, shopping at a Konbini or convenience store. From 24/7 service to an incredible array of products, we'll explore how to make the most of your visit, especially focusing on the essential Japanese phrases you'll need at the cashier. So let's get started. Konbini and just stores, their lifeline in Japan, open around the clock and packed with everything from gourmet bento to the latest magazines. Whether it's late night snacks or last minute essentials, Konbini have you covered. Upon entering, you are greeted with いらっしゃいませ, a warm welcome, meaning please come in. Remember, no response is needed. Just a nod or a smile will do if you make eye contact. Japan features several major convenience chains, each offering unique products and services. From 7-Eleven known for its wide selection, to Lawson with its focus on fresh foods, and Family Mart which often features unique collaborations with popular brands. For a delightful shopping experience, always check out seasonal offerings, which could include anything from sakura-themed snacks during spring to special holiday treats. And don't forget to look for exclusive products and consider getting a point card if you're staying long time for some sweet discounts. Now, let's talk about some essential phrases you'll need to know at the cashier to make your purchase smoother. お次の方どうぞ. This means next in line, please. It's what you'll hear when it's your turn. ポイントカードはお持ちですか? Do you have a point card? It's great for discounts. ボタンを押してください. Please press the button used primarily for confirming your age when buying restricted items. お弁当温めますか? Would you like your food warmed? A handy question for those ready to eat meals. 少々お待ちください. Please wait a moment. Sometimes things need a bit of time. お待たせいたしました. Thank you for waiting. Politeness is key in Japan. Spoon, fork, 箸はお使いになりますか? Would you like a spoon, fork, chopsticks? Always good to know. 袋はいりますか? Do you need a plastic bag? Note that every convenience store in Japan now charges for plastic bags as part of an environmental initiative, so it's good to be prepared or bring your own reusable bag. 袋はお開けしますか? Would you like these items bagged separately? シールでよろしいでしょうか? Is it okay to affix this sticker to show that you have purchased this item, used instead of a bag for small purchases? When responding to the staff, simple phrases like はい、お願いします Yes please, or 大丈夫です It's okay, no thank you will go a long way in ensuring a smooth interaction. If you are looking to try some of the hot, freshly prepared foods that convenience are famous for, like oden or various fried treats, here's how you can order them. おでんください. Please give me some oden. This is a popular winter dish featuring various ingredients simmered in a light broth. これください. This one please. When you are at the counter, you can point to fried items like karaage or korokke if you are not sure how to say their names. It's a simple and effective way to order. When ordering items, especially food, clerks might ask you how many you want. Here's how you can respond effectively. 一つください. One please. Use this if you just want a single item. 二つください. Two please. Great for when you're feeling a bit more hungry or you are sharing with someone. それぞれ一つずつください. One of each please. This phrase is useful if you're trying different items and want one of each. In some konbini, you might need the restroom. Just ask, トイレお借りしてもいいですか? May I use the restroom? And if you need something at the register, すいません、レジお願いします。Excuse me, could you attend the cash register? Can be very helpful. Understanding these phrases and cultural tips will not only make your konbini experience more enjoyable, but will also enrich your stay in Japan. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into Japanese culture and practical tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.